2021 marks a century of coating innovations for Tnemec. That's right, a century. 100 years, 10 decades. That's more time in operation than 99.999% of all companies in the United States. It all started in the thick of Prohibition, just after the First World War, when we introduced a cement-based paint formula to a country in the throes of change. In the 30s, the American landscape was changing, and our company was officially taking shape. We renamed our little operation to honor our revolutionary product, reversing the letters in cement to make our unique company name. Then came the Depression, the Dust Bowl, World War II. But the world didn't stop. Neither did we. Our company helped where it could and helped protect steel in new factories across the nation, in places where other inventions like the microwave, Velcro, Tupperware were being made for the first time. In the 50s, while the country was fascinated with the first big steps of the civil rights movement, television, Buddy Holly and Elvis, we moved our operations to North Kansas City, where we still manufacture the majority of our coatings today. And a new era of Tnemec began as Albert C. Bean Jr., or ACE, took over as president. As we were watching the greatest win fight after fight and sending men to the moon, our company introduced a game-changing epoxy product that's so versatile it's still used today. Then came the strange 70s. The Beatles were breaking up and we were spreading out. We acquired our Baltimore plant and introduced far more high-performance coating technologies, which helped protect all kinds of important structures. If only Series 73 could have protected us from disco. In the 80s, expectations were being broken all around us, so we bought another factory in California and broke ground on our corporate office in Kansas City. The next decade proved to be a big one for Tnemec. We introduced a little zinc-rich primer called HydroZinc right about the time the world was introduced to the World Wide Web. We also strengthened our product line with 2 new additions. The tech boom of the 2000s changed the way everyone did business. So we changed too, but continued to provide the service we're known for, though we did introduce some great tech of our own. In the 2010s, our 4th generation of family leadership began. Our revolutionary aerogel-infused insulating coating was released, and we reached new customers around the world, so we built a new R&D lab. Also, the Cubs won the World Series, for the first time since our company started. Now, despite a challenging start to the 2020s, we're as strong a company as we've ever been. And as we celebrate our 100th year of service in 2021, we look forward to our future. Over the years, our products, our people, our representatives, our service, they've all helped to cement our reputation as one of the most reliable coating manufacturers in the industry. But we're just getting started. We're 100 years strong, 100 and more coming. Here's to Yrutnec, a century done the Tnemec way.